me, it's especially difficult because he has not only been an exemplary officer for 28 and a half years, he's been a good friend. He was a Lakewood boy, graduating from the Lakewood Clark School, and then on to the Lakewood Junior High School, now called the Middle School, and ultimately Lakewood High School. Did some time at Ocean County College, and then went to work. And I think the longest job he had after high school was working at the YMCA. And he worked as a lifeguard and as a janitor. So I guess he went from cleaning up at the YMCA to cleaning up the streets of Lakewood, which he did a fantastic job.
Simple service position for PVA bus driver. I meant to bring my fire hat.